Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, exercise 16.1 and 16.2 CQ. Today we will solve total 2 CQ. At first we will solve CQ number 1. At first I am reading the question of CQ1. Here the question is, the area of an equilateral triangle is increased by √3 square meter when the length of each side of the triangle is increased by 1 meter. This is the step. Now first question is, construct the triangle and write down the formula of determining the area of the triangle. B number question, find the length of the sides of the triangle. And C number question, if the area of the triangle will be increased by 7 √3 square meter, what length of each side of the triangle should be increased? Dear students, now we will solve A number question. We have to construct a triangle and have to write the formula of the finding out area. Here in the stem it is mentioned that the triangle is equilateral triangle. That means all of its sides will be equal. So we have to draw a triangle which all sides will be same. Let's each side of the equilateral triangle is a meter. So this side is a meter, this side is a meter, and this side is also a meter. And we know that the formula of the finding out the area of equilateral triangle is √3/4 a squared meter. Okay, dear the students, you have to memorize the formula. Now we'll solve B number question. Here the question is, find the length of the sides of the triangle. We have to find out the length of the sides of the triangle. Here in the stem it is mentioned that the area of an equilateral triangle is increased by √3 square meter when the length of each side of the triangle is increased by 1 meter. Now at first we will suppose that side of the equilateral triangle is a meter. If the side is a meter, then its area will be √3/a square. Now the area of the triangle when the length of each side is increased by 1, then instead of a we have to write a plus 1. In this case area will be √3/4 a plus 1 whole square meter, and the difference of these two area is √3. It is mentioned in the question. So we can write according to question √3/4 a plus 1 whole square minus √3/4 a square equal to √3. Now multiplying both sides by 4/√3 we can get this line, and after applying formula a plus b whole square we can get a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a square equal to we can cut √3 and √3. After calculation we get the value of a is equal to 1.5. So answer will be 1.5. Length of the each side of the triangle is 1.5 meter. Okay, dear the students, you have solved B number. Now we will solve C number. Here the question is if the area of the triangle will be increased by 7 √3 square meter, what length of each side of the triangle should be increased? Area of the triangle will be increased by 7 √3 square meter, and for that length of each side of the triangle should be increased. What length of each side of the triangle should be increased? Here from B we get length of the each side of the equilateral triangle is 1.5. Here we have find out that value of a is 1.5. So we can write each side of the equilateral triangle is 1.5. Now suppose that additional length bx, so including additional length the area will be √3/4 x plus 1.5 whole square minus previous length √3/4 1.5 whole square, and the additional area is 7 root 3. So as per question we can write it, and solving this equation we can get the value of x. Here x plus 7 into x minus 7 equal x minus 4 equal to 0. Either x equal to minus 7 or x equal to 4, but x is the length. Length may not be negative, so value of x will be 4. That means our additional length will be x, and additional length will be 4 meters, so answer will be 4 meter. Okay, dear students, we have finished our solution of CQ1. Now we will solve CQ2. Here the question of CQ2 is, area of a rectangular region is 540 square centimeter. If its length decreases 7 centimeter, then it becomes a square. Length of an isosceles triangle is 36 centimeter, whose area is equal to the area of the rectangular region. Now, A number question, write the formula. Dear students, it will be right. Write the formula of finding out the area of a scalene triangle. And B number question, determine the length and width of the rectangular region. C number question, determine the perimeter of the triangle. Here A number question, we have to write the formula of finding out area of a scalene triangle. At first, area of a scalene triangle equal to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now the question is, what is s, what is a, what is c? Here a, b and c are the length of the scalene triangle, and s equal to the half of the perimeter. Perimeter is a plus b plus c, and half of the perimeter will be a plus b plus c by 2. That means s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Now we'll solve B number question. Here the question is, determine the length and width of the rectangular region. We have to find out the length and width of the rectangular region. At first we will suppose that length of the rectangular region is x and width of the rectangular region is y. Then we know that area of a rectangle is length multiplication width. So area of the rectangular region is xy square meter. In the stem it is mentioned that area is 540 square meters. So by condition we can write xy equal to 540, and by another condition we can write x minus 7 equal to y, because in the stem it is mentioned that if its length decreases 7 centimeter, then it becomes a square. That means its length and width will be equal when its length is decreases by 7 centimeter. So by another condition we can write x minus 7 equal to y. Now here value of y equal to x minus 7. So putting the value of y in equation 1, we can get x into, here instead of y we have written x minus 7 is equal to 5 into 40. Now after calculation we have got x minus 27 into x plus 20 equal to 0. Here therefore x equal to 27, because x equal to minus 20 is not acceptable. So putting the, we have already find the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation 2, we can get the value of y. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we get y equal to 27 minus value of x is 27. 27 minus 7, that means y equal to 20. So length of the rectangle is 27 centimeter and width of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. Dear students, we have solved B number question. Now we'll solve C number. Here question is, determine the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter means the sum of the length of all sides of the triangle. So we have to know the length of all sides. Here the triangle is isosceles triangle. That means its two sides will be equal. So the at first we will assume that equal sides of the isosceles triangle are a centimeter and another sides, that means base is b, and here the value of base is given. In the question it is mentioned that length of an isosceles triangle is 36 centimeters. So base will be 36 centimeter, b equal to 36 centimeter. Now area of the triangle, it is the formula of the finding out the area of a isosceles triangle, b by 4 root over 4 a square minus b square. Now as per question we can write b by 4 root over 4 a square minus b square equal to 540, because in the question it is mentioned that whose area is equal to the area of rectangular region. That means area of the triangle is equal to the area of rectangular region, and area of rectangular region is 540. So as per question we can write b by 4 root over 4 a square minus b square equal to 540. Now putting the value of b, here value of b is 36. Value of b is 36 because base is 36. So and after cutting, if we cut 36 by 4, then it will be 9. Then after calculating, after completing simplification, we can get the value of a. Here the value of a is equal to 6 root over 34. Since it is isosceles triangle and its equal two sides is a, so its two sides length will be 6 root 34 and 6 root 34, and another side's length already given, it is 36. That means we have got length of all sides. So now we can find out the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is 6 root 34, 6 root 34 plus 36. If we add these three numbers, then we can get 105.97 centimeter approximate value this is, and it is the answer of C number. Okay dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. Now I am giving you SW. This SW for Eid vacations SW. It is Eid vacations SW, and this is SW number 28. And the topic of the SW is exercise 16.1 and 16.2 CQ1 and CQ2. We have already solved these two CQ in this class, and chapter 1 question number 11. In next class we will solve question number 11 from chapter 1, and you have to submit this SW in 29 May 2021. Okay dear the students, do your SW properly and submit on 29 May 2021. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.